Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make use of custom tags. We will add the custom tags to the different pages in your site that will tag your client as they go through your sales funnel. You will then be able to create an email sequence depending on the tag that was allocated to the lead. Now, the first thing you need to do on your dashboard, you're going to go to email and engagement, go to Mailing Boss, and make sure that you create an email list. You can see for this example, I have created a list called custom tags. Then you need to go to Cheetah and create a website. In this example, I have got 4 pages. I've got a lead magnet where the email marketing form is going to be on. Once they've completed, it's going to be sent to the confirmation page, asking them to go and confirm the email address. Once they've confirmed the email, it will be sent to the download page where they can download the freebie. I've also added an additional button to the download page that's going to send them to a page called Viral where they would be able to share it. So these are the basic pages I've created. Now the first thing we need to do is go to Mailing Boss, and we are going to check right at the top is a burger menu. You're going to click on that burger menu, and you're going to go straight down until you get to integration. You're going to click on the integration, and you will see an integration key right here at the top. You're going to copy that. Then you're going to go back to Cheetah, and we are going to add that integration key to all your pages. So let's start with the first page by clicking on the settings. And we're going to scroll down until we see integration key, and we're going to right click and we're going to hit save. Now we're going to do it with the next page. Click on the 3 dots, go to settings, scroll down, paste it in and hit save. And you will need to add this integration key to all the pages where the funnel is going and where you want your client to be tagged when they fall onto that specific page. So now I've got them added to the first 3. Let's just do the last one. And copy, paste, and save. Now we've added the integration key to all the pages, and the next step is to go and create a rule. So you're going to go back to Mailing Boss at the same place where you got the integration key. You're going to see it says add a rule. You're going to click on that, and we're going to give it a reference. Now before we fill this in, we do not need to put a reference key on the lead magnet page because that is where the email marketing form is sitting and it will be captured. So we're first going to start with the confirmation page, and I'm just going to call it confirmation. So let's go and put in confirmation. The timeout is how long must it take the system to tag this lead. In this case, I'm going to leave it at 0. I'm going to choose my custom tags list, and the action that needs to be taken is to insert tag value for this example. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to use that same reference as the tag. And we're going to click Save Rule. Now you can see the rule has been added. Now we need to add 2 more, download and viral. So let's go add rule. Put in the word download. Choose the list, the action it needs to take, and the same word, download. And save the rule. Now we've got those 2 already. The one that we still need is viral. Add rule, put in the word, choose the tag, and add viral. And we hit save. So now we've added these rules. The third step is now to take the reference and go add it on the Cheetah pages. So the first one I'm just going to copy so that I do not make any mistakes. I'm going to go to my confirmation page, click on the settings, scroll down, right next to the integration key is tag reference. Make sure that you post it in there and you got the right reference. In this case, it's a small c. And I'm going to hit save. And we're going to do the same with the next one, which is download. Go to the Cheetah, click on the three little dots, go to the settings, go to the tag reference and paste, and then hit save. Going to go back again for the last one, viral, copy, go to Cheetah, three little dots, and the tag reference, and save. And after you've saved, make sure that you republish. It is a good idea to give it some time so that it can populate on the internet and all the information is there before you test it. And that is the next step that we are going to do. We're now going to test it. And let's go to the three dots here by lead magnet. We're going to click, go to the website page. We're going to give our email details, get instant access. And now we are on the confirm email page. We are sitting on this page. So that page is telling us to go confirm our email. So I'm going to go out of there, going to go to my email. I'm just going to reload my email. And there it is at the top. Please confirm subscription. And we're going to click. And now it's taking us to the download page. So that is basically this section here. Now what we need to do is we are going to download and do whatever the page is telling us to do because it's following us. Now where it says now download register, this is basically the last page that is viral. I just haven't changed it to the word viral. So you can see that we have now gone through all of these pages. So let me just go back out of the site. You can see it's leading to the right places. All the actions was done on the page. So now let's go take a look what it looks like once it's gone into Mailing Boss. So here is our custom tags. I'm just going to reload so that the information is added. Just going to go to the apps again, Mailing Boss. And you can see the subscriber's been added. Let's go take a look at the tags. Now you can see I've opted in. The person has confirmed the email, they've downloaded, and they've done the actions on the viral page. And that is what would happen. If a person did not finish one of the actions, let's say they did not go to the last page or do anything there, that tag would not have been given. And that is how you would create custom tags inside of Builderall. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in another. Bye.